So how much was the windshield?
Windshield $420 with installation.
$420.
2012 cost $290 with installation.
Jesus
OEM
Christ.
quality.
So this Q3 is turning into sort of like a money pit right now, right? Yeah.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
We're gonna start her up and see if there are any codes. This is a start stop. Feels so old. Passenger airbag is off. TPMS light is on. Airbag light is on. Check engine light is on too. So Serg is going to take the diagnostic tool and find out what is triggering these codes.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there.
That's the reason why it has a check engine light, because of that one.
Yes.
Because of the temperature sensor is not connected, set off the check engine lights. So the plan for today's video is that we're going to take off the body pieces, the panels, so Serg can send it out to paint. Because this needs a little bit of paint. How you guys just have like a 5-cylinder TTRS motor just sitting on the floor? It's locked. You're saying that this isn't normal? Serg is reassembling the car. He adjusted the fender so it sits a little bit better. Front bumper, headlights, everything will go back onto the car. This car is going to get sent to the body shop for paint. So the next episode, you're going to see this car painted. We'll have before and after shots. We'll also have the invoice set up as well, so you can see the cost of all the pieces that Serg had to purchase to replace. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below. I'll see you guys on the next episode.